Hello, this is Ricky REQUORDIT once again, and welcome to Cloud Pay It AR Portal, the game-changing solution that transforms how your customers pay outstanding invoices. I'm going to show you exactly how simple and powerful this system is, walking through a real payment process from start to finish. Okay, so when a customer first comes to the Cloud Pay It AR portal, they're going to see this sign in page here where they would enter their email, their password. Once they get logged in, they would see the invoices here in their cart. I'm going to go ahead and just select the first invoice on the list to add to my cart. You can see it down here that it was now added. If I needed to remove it, I would just click on it and then I could click here on Remove from Cart. But for the happy path, we're going to go ahead and go to Order Confirmation. You can see your invoice here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Checkout. On your payment screen, you have the option to enter by credit card or by the banking routing information. For this, I'm going to use the credit card. In here, if you click the drop-down, you can also see the item number, the invoice, the date, and the amount. Go ahead and hit pay. You'll get this little message that it's just saying, waiting for the 3DS authentication. You'll get your payment has been processed successfully with your transaction ID and the total amount charged. Then you'll want to click here on download receipt, and this will show you your payment receipt with the invoice numbers that was paid. Go ahead and close out of this. You can also click here on the Pay It Receipts tab, and it'll show you all of your receipts. And this is how Cloud Pay It AR transforms your account's receivable process. Customers get a simple, secure payment experience while you get automated cash application, reduced errors, and improved cash flow. Ready to see how this can work for your business? Contact us for a personalized demonstration. See you soon.